This place is so beautiful.
Perfect day for adventure. And perfect for pictures. Why you're so quiet? Are you looking at Pedro?
Keep looking at Charmel.
She's different. She's peaceful like this place.
Then tell her.
I don't know what to say. Can I sit here?
Of course.
I like being here. It feels calm.
Me too. It feels free.
I feel the same when I'm with you. I want to know you more. Maybe we can start as a friends.
I'd like that.
Finally!
Nature really brings people together. Sometimes, love begins in quiet places, where hearts are brave enough to speak.